Hello children, welcome back to social studies class. In the previous class we studied introduction to history and today we are going to learn about our Karnataka, that is lesson number 2. Before going to lesson we will discuss about our state and country. Okay children, which is our country? India is our country. Which is our state? Yes, Karnataka is our state. How many states are there in India? Can you guess? Yes, 29 states and 7 union territories are there in India. And Karnataka is our state and Karnataka's capital is Bengaluru. Yes, no? Okay. Date of formation of Karnataka is 1st November 1956. The name Karnataka is derived from Karunadu, meaning, I written on the board, lofty land. Size of Karnataka 1,91,791 square kilometer. Okay, and Karnataka is the largest South Indian state. Largest, okay, in South Indian, okay. And the population, if you see, means 61095,297. And the population density is 319 persons per square kilometer. Okay. Can you guess the Chief Minister of Karnataka? Everybody know. No, Yediyurappa. And the rivers which flow in Karnataka. This is generally we are studying about Karnataka. Okay, these all are important. Okay children, tell the rivers of Karnataka. Important rivers, so many rivers are there. In that Krishna, Kaveri, Tungabhadra, Kabini, these all are rivers. And the Kaveri is the largest river in the state and originates from the district of Coorg. It is often called as a Dakshina Ganga, considered one of the sacred river of India. Talakaveri is the origin of river Kaveri. Is a famous one. Okay, famous pilgrimage and tourist spot. And then pilgrimage and tourist spot set admits Brahmagiri Hills in Coorg. Forest and wildlife sanctuaries. If you see, means here Bandipur Wildlife Sanctuary, Nagarvale National Park, Mudumalai, so many national park are there. Wildlife sanctuaries are there. Tourist attraction. Yes, Mysuru City Palace, Chamundi Hill, Stone Chariot in Hampi. Children, have you visited in these places? Yes. The Gomateshwara Bahubali. It is very famous, no? Bahubali statue at Shravanabelagola is one of the most important tirthas. Means pilgrimage destinations in Jainism. Gol Gumbaz, Bijapur. It is the second largest dome in the world. Festival, if you see in Karnataka, so many festivals we are celebrating. In that, famous is, yes, Kai Holige. You remember, no? Yugadi, Ganesha Chaturthi, and Hampi Utsav, and recently we celebrated Dasara, isn't it? Grandly you celebrated or what? Yes. Major dance form. Simha Nritya, Yakshagana, these all are a major dance form here. Major music form, Carnatic music and Hindustani music. Have you heard? Okay. Arts and crafts, if you see, means Bidri, so many works are there, crafts. And languages, if you hear which are the languages speaking here, means Kannada, Kodava, and Tulu. State animal. Can you guess state animal? Anyone know? Elephant. And the state bird is Indian roller. State flower is lotus. State tree is sandal. State emblem is Ganda Berunda. Major crops, if you see here, means rice, jowar, coffee. These all are okay. Let us study about the Karnataka's divisions. Okay, children? Yes. Especially our Karnataka's Bengaluru division. Beautiful Karnataka's special one is Bengaluru division. Here discussion would be on the topics of whatever is there. I will tell points, you take down in rough note. The history division of Karnataka into 4 revenue divisions, and the second topic is its natural resources, means rivers,